So for this problem, to evaluate the integral of rational functions into a natural log, so we're going to use the shortcut method. So from this given, to evaluate the integral of dx over 8x plus 4, so first we need to find the derivative of 8x. So since the derivative of 8x is 8, so this is equal to 1 over 8. Then ln, the absolute value of this denominator, so 8x plus 4, then plus c. Then for this given, to evaluate the integral, so first, we need to put this constant outside. So we have 5, then over the derivative of 3x, so this one is 3, then ln, the absolute value of this denominator, so 3x plus 4, then plus c. Then for this given, so to evaluate the integral, so put this constant outside, then over the derivative of 4x squared. So this is 4 times 2, so we have 8. Then ln, the absolute value of this denominator, so 4x squared minus 5, then plus c. And for this given, so first we need to put this constant outside, then over the derivative of 6, so this one is 6, then ln, the absolute value of this denominator, so this one is 6 plus 1, then plus c. Then we need to find the reciprocal of this denominator, so over 1, so we have 4 over 5, then times 1 over 6, then we have ln, the absolute value of 6x plus 1, then plus c, or this is equal to 4 over 30, then ln, the absolute value of 6x plus 1, then plus c, then this one is divisible by 2, so this is 2 over 15, then ln, the absolute value of 6x plus 1, then plus c. Then for this given, so put this constant outside. Now take note that if the denominator contains x to the power 3, so therefore the numerator must have x to the power 2. So again, put this constant outside and over the derivative of this 3x to the power 3. So 3 times 3, this one is 9. Then ln, the absolute value of 3x to the power 3 minus 7, then plus c. Then since 9 over 9, this is equal to 1. So we have now ln, then the absolute value of 3x to the power 3 minus 7, then plus c.